Hello everyone. If you're watching this video, you've just enrolled in an online course called History 103, World Civilization to 1650. This here is a navigation video of how to operate, it's a video of how to navigate the learning management system called Schoology. This right here that you're looking at is the home page of your online class on Schoology. And please take time out to identify and look at all other folders within this particular homepage. For the sake of time, we will focus on 3, maybe 4 important folders. It is called the introduction start here, syllabus and course materials, and week 2 or maybe week 3 or one of the weeks. First thing you want to do is introduction start here. This is the first folder. In it, you will see many things that you want to identify. Meet your instructor, the introduction video from Dr. Robinson, who is your professor. Meet the instructor, the information about his synchronized office hours and online hours and emails address. The registering for Launchpad. Reviewing all course requirements. And everything else. Introducing yourself towards the classroom. Here in step 3, many of these items you have to click on to get the full information. This right here, from week 1 all the way to week 15 of the semester, is the work that you have to do. It consists of assignments, discussion boards, tests, syllabus tests, and it has various requirements you have to use in order to complete these tasks. This is the introduction start here. Another important folder to look at is syllabus and course materials. Here in the syllabus and course materials, you will have access to what is called the virtual office hours, the grading information, discussion boards, Schoology assignments, Launchpad assignments, PowerPoints, and the readings, and also tests and quizzes and audio visuals. Some of these items are located within the weeks. Some of them are not. You'll have to come to syllabus and course materials. Here in syllabus and course materials, you just click on syllabus, click on syllabus content, and click on the link. And there you have it. You have your syllabus. Please read and download. Please read your syllabus thoroughly for your syllabus quiz that will be due in the first week. Now, if you go back to syllabus and course materials, you also have the contact information, the required textbook for this course, and the course material, which is John McKay, A History of World Society's 10th edition. We will get to Launchpad later because that is the second part of this particular video. Now, let's go through week 1. Now, when we look through week 1, which is January to January 12th, what we're looking at here is the list of your tasks for the week. First, you should click on the learning objectives, which is Origins of Humanity. Here you'll have the summary of the entire class for this week, the objectives you will learn, and of course a to-do list. And here you have due dates, discussion boards in Schoology, your syllabus quiz, week 1 assignment, etc., and also Launchpad. We'll get that later. Now, if you go back to week 1, begin to look within these folders. Some will say click on the folder to access the information. Some say see syllabus and materials folder. For example, PowerPoint folder. Click here to access this week's PowerPoints. Click on the PowerPoint folder. You click on Chapter 1 Orders of Man. Here is a PDF version of the PowerPoint lectures. Click on it and so it can download. And here you just press the arrow key and you press open and the PowerPoint should open for you. What is also available is your audio-visual resources, which is usually documentaries. Before you can do your discussion boards and your Schoology assignments, and sometimes your Launchpad assignments, you might want to take a look at the audio-visuals. Click on the folder, click on The Real Eve, and here's a course link to a YouTube documentary. Now this has closed caption. Some do not have closed caption, so just click on it, and it should come up. That's how you get access to your audio visuals. Now, not everything is here in week 1. Some you'll say, see syllabus and material folder for your discussion boards, your Schoology assignments, and also your tests. You must go and look into to get access to them, you must go into your course material. All right, press on syllabus and course material page. Okay, here is your syllabus quiz under the folder syllabus. As you scroll down, here are your discussion boards, your Schoology assignments. Now, for the Schoology assignments, click on the folder, and here are the folders. Now, read the directions carefully. Okay. Here's how you can fully complete your assignment. Let's click on either one of these. This is the hairpin one. First, you want to read the directions. Step 1. That's what you do. After you finish completing reading the directions, then you will come here. You will click on Submit Assignment. Wait for it to load. After you press Submit Assignment, click on Create. After you click on Create, type within the entire, all the 500-word essays within this box and press Submit. Now, that's how you complete your Schoology assignments. The discussion boards. Now, the same process you would have that, you would have for also your pre-assessment questions, which is very similar. You just press on pre and post assessment. You press on Submit Assignment. And again, hey, you click on Create. And then you type in your answers. For the discussion boards, a little different. You click on discussion boards. Here in the discussion boards, whether you introduce yourself to the classroom, whether you have any questions at all, you will come to this folder right here and you will type in your question or your school introduction during the first week. Let's scroll down to where we see, let me see, Aboriginal Americans. Click on Aboriginal Americans. All right. In 150 words or more, explain in detail why you think American scholars know the fact. This question right here. What you want to do is comment. Leave a post, 150 words. You type it in, and then you press post. Very simple. Now for your syllabus quiz, along with your test, these are multiple choice. Let's say, for example, you have, that's 3. Click on your test. Press on what is called Start New Attempt. And then you answer your multiple choice questions. Get out of here. Now, of course, this is just a short video. But if you watch this video carefully and you go through each of these weeks, you realize that one of the things you'll be using is going through each week's and also using syllabus and course materials to either complete your work and fully read the information. If there's any more questions and you need more clarity, please contact your instructor or the ODL office. The part 2 video will be on how to navigate the Launchpad assignment. Good day.